Looking for the absolute best TV purchase in 2025? This honest TCL QM8K review reveals why it's the ultimate choice for almost anyone. Dive into its superb peak brightness, detailed picture quality, and fantastic glare handling, making it perfect for daytime sports and movies. The TCL QM8K isn't just good for the price, it's incredibly hard to beat, period, often outshining more expensive competitors. Its advanced full-array local dimming system, with thousands of precise bulbs, delivers stellar contrast and shadow detail, even for a non-OLED TV. You'll be amazed by how TCL's new Halo control technology effectively combats blooming, a common QLED challenge in darkrooms. Plus, with frequent sales bringing both 65-inch and 75-inch TCL QM8K models under $2,000, it offers incredible value. Don't miss out on upgrading your viewing experience. Check the description below for links to grab your TCL QM8K today. This 2025 TCL QM8K truly sets a new standard for affordable premium QLED performance. Get ready for breathtaking visuals without breaking the bank.